Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself and my partner. I am Siti Nur Hasanah and my partner is Muhammad Panji Rofiki, GB Tesalonika, and Nanda Novita Dewi. The table of contents for this journal includes introduction, method, result, discussion, and conclusion. The title of this journal is Social Competence of Teachers in Communicating Effectively with Students Through Indonesian Language Learning Activities at SD Negeri Rejo Winangun 3, Kota Gede, Yogyakarta. Firstly, I would like to explain about introduction. The aim of the research. This research aims to understand and gain knowledge about teacher social skill can be communicate with student effectively by learning Indonesian. Pada hakikatnya, pembelajaran bahasa Indonesia itu memiliki bermacam-macam keterampilan berbahasa, diantaranya yaitu menyimak, berbicara, membaca, dan menulis. Penelitian ini bertujuan agar memahami dan mendapatkan pengetahuan tentang kemampuan sosial guru agar dapat berkomunikasi dengan siswa secara efektif. Research problem. How in communicate as possible with student through Indonesian language activities at SDN Rejo Winangun 3, Kota Gede, Yogyakarta. Secondly, I would like to explain about the method. This study use research descriptive with qualitative approach. Maulani and Cahyana explain that descriptive research is research used to describe a phenomenon which has compiled to get information about the current situation, but also used to know the fact when it's from a population. Jenis penelitian ini ialah deskriptif kualitatif, yaitu dengan teknik mengumpulkan informasi wawancara, observasi, dan dokumentasi. The data collection techniques used are techniques for collecting interview information, observation, and documentation. And next is place of research implementation. This research was conducted at SDN Rejo Winangun 3, Kota Gede, Yogyakarta in March until June 2017. And next is data analysis technique. Data analysis technique by conducting data collection, data reduction, data presentation, and conclusion. Thirdly, I would like to explain about result. Observation result. In language learning activities, Indonesia's social competence of teacher in communicating effectively is good for but less than optimal. Hasil penelitian ini menunjukkan bahwa kita sebagai seorang guru itu harus bisa berkomunikasi secara efektif, berperan sebagai mentor, memberikan dorongan agar siswa menjadi lebih aktif dan tentunya menguasai bahasa Indonesia itu dengan baik dan benar. Interview results. Interviews with 9 such teachers of SDN Rejo Winangun 3, Kota Gede indicates that the teacher has sought to have social competence in communicate effectively with students through Indonesian language learning activities, that is to interact with students, play a role in acting and understanding the variety of language words Indonesia, providing stimuli to students, and enrich the Indonesian language in order to the learning process went well and harmonious. Fourthly is discussion. Development efforts undertaken by teachers in developing social competence in communicating effectively with students through Indonesian language learning activities by paying attention to each student condition, understanding each student's characteristic, and understanding each student's needs. The obstacles experienced by teachers in applying social competence in communicating effectively with students through Indonesian language learning activities at SD Negeri Rejo Winangun 3, namely when facing students who don't pay attention to the explanation of the teachers, students who find it difficult to calm down, and face the student who play when the learning takes place. Simpulan berdasarkan temuan hasil penelitian di SDN Rejo Winangun 3 diperoleh hasil kesimpulan sebagai berikut. Yang pertama, kompetensi sosial guru dalam berkomunikasi dengan siswa sudah dilakukan dengan baik. Kemudian, upaya pengembangan yang dilakukan oleh guru dalam mengembangkan kompetensi sosial dalam berkomunikasi dengan siswa melalui pembelajaran bahasa Indonesia, yaitu memperhatikan setiap kondisi siswa. Adapun hambatan yang dialami oleh guru dalam menerapkan kompetensi ini adalah ketika menghadapi siswa yang tidak memperhatikan penjelasan dari guru, kemudian siswa yang sulit diatur, dan lain-lain. And finally, I would like to explain about the conclusion. From the result of research at SD Negeri Rejo Winangun 3 can be known social competence of teachers in communicating effectively with students through language learning activities in Indonesia by improving the ability of teachers in communicate and interact with students. So that student expected to understand Indonesian language material delivered by the teacher well. Saran saya sebagai peneliti yang pertama, bagi guru harus terus meningkatkan kemampuannya dalam berinteraksi dengan siswa dan mengenali karakteristik siswa. Dan yang kedua, bagi siswa, sebaiknya siswa lebih mendengarkan arahan dan penjelasan dari guru. And that's it. Well, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.